Okay, everyone, are you ready for today? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, before we start our lesson, it's so much better if we pray first. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dinan wa bil muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Amin. Saya presensi dulu. Adi Vian, Alfi. Okay, thank you. Sepertinya tegang sekali ya. So, I will not make any hard things for you today. Saya tidak akan membuat hal yang untuk kamu. So, sebelum kita beraktiviti, I will take you to motivasi dulu biar kamu panas. Sudah panas, Miss? Panas ya? Okay. I will take you to a warming up activity. I will spin the wheel. Saya namakan ini Wheel of Fortune. So, if I spin the wheel and I will ask you questions, just simple question, pertanyaan yang sangat sederhana, dan saya yakin kamu bisa jawab. Okay, are you ready? Okay, go. Yeah, let's spin the wheel. Rifki, yes, I know it. Sudah kuincer dari awal. Rifki, I will ask you a question. How do you go to school every day? Ayo Raka, you can help Rifki. How do you go to school every day? Nah, kamu ke sekolah tiap hari naik apa? I go to school by motorcycle. Okay, thank you. Good job everyone. Kita masuk ke pembelajaran, sudah agak panas. Last week, what we have learned, minggu lalu kita sudah belajar apa ya? Masih ingat? Saya dongeng tentang botol dan teman-temannya kemarin, ya tentang apa? Factual report. Ya, last week we have learned about teorinya dulu ya kemarin, tentang factual report itu apa dan sebagainya. And today we are going to practice what you know last week to our daily life-nya, sehari-harinya itu apa. Bisa lihat ya yang belakang. So today we have this is factual report text. And next, nah first I would like ask you a question dulu. Okay. Aha. Have you born in his era? Sudah lahir belum kalau pada ini? Who are they? Ya, you have Doraemon, siapa lagi tuh? Giant, Nobita. Okay. Have you ever watched the movie? Pernah lihat? Ya, pernah ya. Nanti your brothers and sisters jauh ya. Okay, what country does these characters come from? Kira-kira dari mana ini mereka? Japan. Japanese atau Japan? Jepun. Japanese itu orangnya, people-nya, language-nya, tapi kalau country-nya kita bilang Japan, ya, oke. Okay. What is this country known for? Negara itu kenalnya dengan apa ya? Sakura, oke, okay, good. Apa? Terkenalnya dengan selain Sakura, animasi, anime. Do you like anime, right? Anime, what? Manga, okay, yes. Naruto, do you like Naruto? I like Naruto. And of course, game. I think all of you already know about Sony, ya kan? Juga first game tentang apa? Sonic the Hedgehog, pernah lihat nggak? Sonic the Hedgehog. Gamenya Sony, terus PS. Commercial PS sekarang sudah berapa tipe? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? PS5? Oh, oke. Okay. Ya, good. Semoga besok kalian bisa buat PS6 ya. Amin. Anak TKJ. Oke. Oke, so kenapa kok saya menampilkan Doraemon and Friends? Because, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini, kamu tahu atau menganalisa tentang struktur teks factual report ya. And next, kalian tahu menyimpulkan ide pokok paragraf and spesifik detailnya. Ini nanti yang kalian gunakan to use atau to make the mind map ya. The third, kita bisa bermain-main dengan Canva menggunakan mind map-nya. And the last, you can present your mind map. Miss, berarti aku harus maju ke depan just like minggu sebelumnya. Yes. Jangan sedih gitu toh ya, aku sedih lihat kamu sedih gitu. Gak apa-apa, sebisa kalian. Yang penting you have tried your best, gitu kan? Ya, kamu sudah coba yang terbaik kok. Ayo kan. Sekarang kita harus lihat filmnya dulu. Ya, bentar. Ini kalau dari
Today's country is
Japan.
Welcome to Japan. Our world is made up of the sea and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 areas of land called continents. Japan is on a continent called Asia. It takes about 12 hours to fly there from our country, the UK. That's like spending a whole day or a whole night on a plane. Japan is made up of 4 main islands and lots of small ones as well. People often think that Japan looks a bit like a dragon. All countries have things that make them special. One of the things that makes Japan special is the food. There are so many types. Popular dishes include blowfish, noodles and sushi. Sushi is seasoned rice, beautifully presented in bite-sized portions, often with fish and vegetables. In Japan, they also have these really fun square watermelons. They usually eat their food using chopsticks. These are 2 sticks used to pick up food and put it in your mouth. A fun fact, in Japan, at Christmas, families gather around to eat a bucket of Kentucky Fried Chicken to celebrate. It started many years ago and has become a national tradition. The Japanese invented karaoke. This is where you sing along with music. In Japan, the word karaoke means empty orchestra. We've all seen and used vending machines to buy drinks and snacks, but in Japan these are taken to a whole new level. You can buy clothes, pancakes, flowers, hot stew, fish soup. All sorts of things can be found in Japanese vending machines. Have you heard of the game Rock, Paper, Scissors? It is very popular in Japan. It was probably invented in China, but Japanese people have been playing it for hundreds of years. There are songs about the game and big competitions take place. Japan makes some of the best robots in the world. You can even visit a robot restaurant. In Japan, they've made a robot which can play rock, paper, scissors, and the robot always wins. Unfortunately, in Japan, they have earthquakes. This is when the ground suddenly shakes. In Japan, they have 2 to 3 earthquakes every day, but most of these are so small that no one notices. They get earthquakes because Japan is in an area known as the Ring of Fire. This also means there are volcanoes. The highest mountain in Japan is called Mount Fuji, and this is a volcano. It has not erupted for about 300 years. This means no lava, fire or smoke has come out for a very long time. Gardens and parks are very important in Japan. They're designed like artworks with every detail planned. Japanese rock gardens or Zen gardens help people relax. Sometimes rocks and other objects are carefully placed to create a wonderful environment symbolizing the essence of nature with shapes and patterns in the sand to represent water. In Japan, they have a very different way of writing and talking. They call their country Nippon. This means sun's origin, where the sun comes from. This has led to some people calling Japan the land of the rising sun. The circle in the middle of the Japanese flag represents the sun. Let's learn some more Japanese. To count to 3, they say ichi, ni, san. Let's try together, very quietly. Ichi, ni, san. Now let's go a little louder. Ichi, ni, san. Now let's go as loud as we can. Ichi, ni, san. Fantastic! In Japan, they don't say hello. Instead, they say konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Bonjour, don't forget to click the button subscribe. Okay. Press the button now, Hosen.
Apa yang kamu bisa tahu tentang Jepang tadi? Just as you remember, yang saya ingat kamu apa? Tadi apa? Sushi, okay, sushinya yang jelas. What else? Do you like to sing, right? Ada yang suka nyanyi? No? No one? Today activity is about factual report text. Sudah tahu, there is something that is factual atau berdasarkan fakta. You cannot add any opinions. Jadi tidak boleh menambahkan opini yang sifatnya khusus and concern with facts. Next. Purpose-nya. What is purpose? Tujuan. Tujuan factual report text adalah to present information about something general. Sudah saya bilang minggu lalu, general. Jadi kalau kamu mau menceritakan sesuatu yang sifatnya umum, tidak khusus ya, general. Karena kita factual report text itu general. Oke, teksnya apa? Yang pertama ada general classification-nya, umum ya. Kemudian we have second paragraph, third paragraph-nya kita ada deskripsinya. Oke, jadi nanti umum dulu baru ke description. File about siapa nanti yang mau mendesain dan riset. Miss, desain dan riset. Desain itu berarti nanti yang working most on Canva, nanti yang lain juga bantu. Tapi yang paling Canva-nya siapa? Nanti yang handle desain. Riset itu apa, Miss? Nanti yang bagian riset berarti ya bukan nyari banyak informasi tentang spek, tentang yang mau ide pokoknya, itu bagian riset. Alat bahan waktu. Now, I would like to ask you to join with your group. Masih ingat kan grupnya kemarin? How many group we have? 5. Okay, get join to your group and then discuss. So, hurry up, kita mulai bekerja.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 3 and the member are Raka Irfansyah, Arif Ramadan, Rifki Alfarisi, Nopal Raihan and Muhammad Zaidan Zulfa. Here we going to present our Canva main map.
Everyone, I will do the evaluation ya. Saya akan evaluasi mungkin in general. Ya, evaluasinya let's see. This is the sample of Bagas work. So, yeah, what do you think? What do you think, guys? Untuk konsepnya, we have ada berapa cabang nih? 1 2 3 4 5 6 ya, ada 6. Can I start the quiz now? Bisa saya mulai kuisnya? So we are going to the final step ya. We have learned today. Kita sudah belajar apa hari ini? Factual text report. Oke, factual text report tadi cirinya apa saja? Masih ingat? Nah, ada simple present tense. Ada apa lagi tadi? Ada action verb. Struktur teksnya what we have struktur teksnya Haris? General classification. Ada apa lagi? Deskripsi. Oke, itu tadi kita udah belajar itu. Kemudian kita refleksi ya, refleksi jenak. Ini kita sudah muncul. Oke, sabar everyone. Sabar. I know all of us are tired. Sabar ya. Oke, this one. Oke, we are going to reflection. We are going to the reflection. Ya, refleksi untuk pembelajaran hari ini. Bagaimana perasaanmu? Apa saja kesulitan tadi? Sulitnya di mana? Desain, kanvanya. Ya, oke. Cara kamu mengatasi kesulitan tadi seperti apa? Ya, I'll give you the sheet. Nanti ada lembar sama survei ya. Tolong dijawab tentang refleksinya. Oke. Kemudian, ya, terakhir, next week kita akan belajar tentang next chapter yaitu caption and proverb. Jangan lupa LMS ya. Have you done your LMS? LMS, have you done your LMS? Oke. Next week kita akan belajar tentang caption ya. Kita ketemu on Monday. And do you have any questions so far? Kalau tidak ada, just like on the screen, I will say thank you. Thank you everyone and I'll see you again next Monday on the next chapter. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good job everyone.